Hello, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I heard that some of you were having trouble with this segment on Khan Academy, so I thought I'd go through a few problems with you. Haven't talked to you guys, so it's been a tough week, and we're working hard to keep you guys informed of what assignments and things you need to do, and I'm learning, and I hope you guys are learning too. Um, I was looking at this word problems segment, and evidently it generates different questions, maybe to each person. I'm not sure how many different questions you might see. I thought, in the beginning, maybe 70% would be a good goal, and I'm seeing some of you are reaching that, but some of you are struggling a little bit. So let's see if we can take a look at it. So this problem says Isabel is making a huge flag of her country, the Republic of something, on a canvas 20 by 40 meters long. To do that, she has to draw a diagonal that begins at the bottom left corner and ends at the right side of the flag, has a height of 7, so I can see that. She ends her diagonals are too far to put the ruler between. She wanted to find the angle of the diagonal and draw it using a protractor. What's the angle of elevation? So an angle of elevation goes from the horizontal line up, so you can see the little question mark. So if you label it from that, and just draw a picture of that, what they're showing you, the 7 would be the opposite, and the 20 would be the adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, bring this in so maybe you guys can see it a little better. So opposite and adjacent would be tan. So it would be tan inverse 7 over 20. That's what I need to write. And I'm going to go to Desmos. They offer a calculator, but their calculator is more difficult, I thought. So turn on degree mode. Let me move this out of the way. You want to get your functions brought up. So you want inverse tan, and then you want 7 divided by 20. 19.29. Now the thing about this Khan also is like they have this rounding rule at the end of it. So you have to look for what they want. So double check that. 19.3. So fix that. To the nearest tenths, 1 place past the decimal. So just hide that, check it. And that's good. All right. And then next question. Okay. How far from the rock is the Archimedes going to sleep? Okay, so it looks like maybe this one you set up as 43 degrees here. You have 7, and I'm thinking they want X here. So that is opposite and adjacent again, which is tan. Tan 43 equals 7 over X. So we multiply by X. We got to get the X by itself. So we divide. 7 divided by tan 43. $7.5. Oh, they say to the nearest hundredth, so let's go back. That would be 2 places past the decimal, and that 6 will round that 0 up to 1. 7.51. Okay. All right. Okay, I've seen this problem before. They want the angle there. You can see the X. So this will be opposite and adjacent, which is tan. So if you're going to write this one down, we have 18. We have 443 is opposite, adjacent. So we have tan inverse, opposite over adjacent. for an angle. So I'll just close that one out. Go down to this one. Tan inverse. We got opposite over adjacent. 87 points. I'm going to write this one down. 673. I'm going to go back and see what they want. They want to the nearest tenth. That's one place past the decimal. 87.7. Okay, and then this question here. What's the width of the river? So they're wanting us to find this here. The perpendicular width. So if you draw that one. 76 x 15 opposite adjacent. I don't know why they're wearing out tan here, but they are. Multiply by 15. 15 tan 76. Oh, let's write that down. 60.162. So we go back. They want the nearest hundredth. So it looks like they're alternating what they're asking for here. 60.16. Okay, so I got them all right. So hopefully you can too. And it's good to talk to everybody. And I hope you do well. And signing off. See you guys.